seeing, man? What the fuck am I seeing here, man? Oh, God. He'll turn back. Oh, and we got another car coming down.
There's a Jeep right here.
That's just.
Take it over towards the street as far as you can, man.
Those brake lights. Oh, brake lights. Another brake light. Come on. Brake lights. Brake lights. Brake lights. There we go.
Yeah. That's hilarious.
Oh, brake lights. He's stopping. He's fucking stopping. Going circles, man. That's gonna fucking happen.
He's pulling in.
Brake lights. Brake lights.
He's getting out of the car. Oh, is he running after it? Hang on, might have a runner here. We got a runner.
Oh, we got them all stopping.
Got a runner.
Oh, brake lights. If I think we got him on a film, we're filming.
We are filming.
Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. Yeah. Oh, shit. This is fucking hilarious. Oh, shit. This guy's probably gonna go home and say, I gotta have a fucking drink after this. Oh. We call it brake lighting. Brake lights.
Oh, yeah.
Yep, I got brake lights. Yep, I got brake lights. Get out of the van and run. Get out of the van. Come on. We got money on this one. Next one stopping. I got money. Come on. Money. I got another one stopping. I got all three of them stopping. Brake lights. Oh shit. Come on. Who's the first one gonna get out? Come on. I got the bait out there now. I'm waiting for it to bite.
One's pulling around.
Oh shit. He's like, what the fuck is this? That truck's gonna stop. I got a funny feeling. Yep. he's gonna jump out. Oh, he put his brakes. He's jumping out. He's jumping out.
He's getting out.
He's getting out.
Come on, we got a runner.
We got a runner.
We got a runner. We got a runner. Yes, we do. We got a runner.
Hey! 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 Don't worry! Hey! Hey! Hey!
Oh!
It's alright! It's remote control!
I think he's flipping us off.
Yeah, bring it over here.
They had too much I don't think he's
I didn't tell him to get out.
No, we're just enjoying our remote control.
Feel. This is our remote control feel.
We got a runner. We had a runner. We got a runner. Yes, sir.
I bet you other people are laughing at the fucking man at him. Making himself pissed off.
He's talking to these people. What the hell are these guys doing?
Oh, he's probably saying, these motherfuckers are baiting us out here. You might call it sugar big police.
Yeah. Say, hey, they know us.
Yeah,
This
we may not be supposed to be running the mower out there.
Oh, he's getting back in his truck. We got him.